Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online lessons. I'm making this video in the middle of December, and I guess, like quite a few of you, I'm a big fan of the run-in to Christmas because it gives me a chance to socialise, it gives me the opportunity to catch up with old friends that I haven't seen for the best part of a year. At the moment, I'm trying to organise a meet-up of quite a large group of old friends, and it's proving more difficult than I'd anticipated. I guess any time you've got large groups of people, trying to get them to agree on a time and a place can be tricky. This morning I got a message from one of the group basically saying, "I hope this does go ahead, keep me in the loop." If you ask someone to keep you in the loop, you mean that you want to be kept informed. You want to know about the details of what's going to happen. You want to make sure that you have all the necessary information. It's often used in work contexts. So, if you're in a work environment and you're going through a kind of turbulent period, usually staff like to be kept in the loop about the changes that are being considered. And obviously, problems can start to happen in companies where maybe one partner in a business hasn't been kept in the loop about the debts that their business partner has been racking up. As someone who runs a small company, our mailing list is quite important. If you go to the Lexical Lab website and you look in the top right hand corner, there's a little button that says sign up. And if you do sign up to our mailing list, you'll be able to stay in the loop with news about new courses and discounts. We also sometimes talk about being out of the loop, where we simply don't have the news and we don't have the kind of necessary information that allows us to keep up with what's going on. And this can be in a personal sense. So you might meet up with old friends and they might say to you, "Oh, did you hear about Nick and Debbie's divorce?" "Seriously, they got divorced? My God, I hadn't heard. I've been so out of the loop." You might also use it just to talk about not knowing what's going on in the world. So someone might be talking about the situation in Venezuela, where the dictator there, Maduro, is talking about maybe invading Guyana, the next door neighbours, and you might say, "Oh, I haven't really been keeping up with the news about this at all. I'm completely out of the loop." If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use in the loop or out of the loop.